Hi everyone. Today is my day 4 hunger strike in front of Australian Parliament House. I'm feeling good, stronger than ever, and I will keep going with my hunger strike as long as my body allows me to do so. Today I just want to bring your attention to Uyghur forced labour and as well as children. And as you know, since 2017, mass internment started. Then, basically, any random family could end up split 3-4 pieces as a result. Parents could easily taken into husband and wife 2 different internment camps, if you imagine. And then they will go through a full stage of reprogramming, then send it off to factories. And as you know, as we going for shopping or you walk through your massive shopping centres, 1 in every 4 cotton garment actually made by Uyghur slave labour. And if you think about their children, what was happening to their children, and if children somewhere anything age between 1 and 2 all the way to 12, so those children easily can split to 3-4 pieces. The older one end up sending to government-run boarding school. Once again, that's a form of prison. The younger one send it off to orphanage. So as a result, there's one family literally split into 4 different camps. So this is the reality of any basic, random Uyghur family and back in East Turkestan. So if you ever go for your holiday shopping or your leisure, please do think about what you buy, what you spend